Welcome to TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to become happy and consistently profitable. Today we're going to be having a look at the markets, just going to be doing some analysis, and we are starting off on EURAUD on the 4-hour chart. So we're in a downtrend at the moment on EURAUD on the 4-hour. We've had a large move up, but for the short term we're in a downtrend, so I'll be looking for shorts. Probably around this area here. We just map onto the Fibonacci. So in this area here is where I'll be looking for shorts. But then we've got the round number right here. So what I'm going to do is move that there. And if the market comes up, I'll be going on to the lower time frame of 30 minutes to find a short position right here and taking the market down towards these lows here. So if we just map that out, so let's say we get in right at that round number, stop loss would be at the 0, or the 100 level I should say, and take profit down at the 100. And that would pretty much just be the trade. Super easy. If we don't get the move higher, then we'll be looking for a short. So say the market comes down here, come down, and then we retrace up around the 70 level round here. We'll be looking for a short lower again. So that's pretty much the trades that I'll be looking at on EURAUD next week. So there's a possible, if we break higher, looking for a short up here, and if we break lower, looking for a short around here. That's pretty much it. On to the next one, EURCAD. So it looks like we're in a bit of consolidation at the moment. If we go on to the higher time frame, yeah, I'd probably be looking for shorts on here. On to the 30-minute, and there's a possible trade setting up. So if price can come up to this level here, but actually the 79% is probably a better trade because it's at the round number, and stop loss there at the next round number, and take profits down here perfectly at the round number. So all those round numbers line up beautifully, so hopefully that could be a really nice trade. Yeah, EURCAD's looking like a nice one. EUROUD GBPUSD. Checking the higher time frames. So we've obviously had the move down, and we've had a little move up, and then we've come down again, and we closed on a bullish candle. So I'd probably be looking for, not really sure to be honest, probably, well, you know what, if you can't really see the overall trend of the markets, I wouldn't really enter it for my strategy. So just leaving Euro Pound alone, just because of this candle here. If this closed bearish on the weekly, I'd be looking for shorts, but just because it's closed bullish, I probably wouldn't be looking for any trades. So we're just going to move on to the next one. On EURJPY, I'm going to be looking for shorts on this. So let's see if we can find a trade. So we've broken this high here. The next one is this one. And we'll just draw the Fibonacci down to the low. And we've actually taken out the 71% and the 79%, but we've closed at the 71%, so you could actually enter the market as soon as it opens on the Monday and take that down to the 100%. So that could be another nice trade, although normally I'm looking to enter the market as soon as it comes up. I'm normally not entering trades if it's closed at the Fibonacci level and then entering trades. I'll normally enter trades using limit orders, just because it's an easier way of managing emotion during the markets. So moving on to the next one, EURUSD. Probably looking for buys, but not yet, just because we're not in that zone of where I'll be looking for buys. If we come down to this level down here, which is a few weeks away probably, then I'll be looking for buys. So I suppose you could be looking for sells, but you would be going against the trend, so taking smaller position sizes and possibly even smaller stop losses and take profits. The next one is EURUSD. We're looking for shorts on this. And we've just broken this high, so taking this high into account. And we've actually just broken 71 and 79, so I'm not even going to have a look at that anymore. Get rid of that. And we'll just see what happens on EURUSD. GBPUSD. Possible long on here. So we've just gone past the 62, so I'll be looking for longs at the 71%. Obviously I'm not going to be placing limit orders on the weekly, but you could place an order around here and hopefully ride it higher, but obviously go on to the 30-minute and try and find a better entry. And we've just actually rolled over on GBPJPY, even though it's not at the regular 71% that we're going to be looking at. You could be going onto the smaller time frames and having a look for short positions. We've actually just missed a short position on this, but it's looking like it's probably going to be a loss anyway, which is obviously good for us. Although you would still be in this trade because your stop loss would be at that 100% level. Although depending on the brokerage, you could have been taken out if you put your stop loss at that round number. So just make sure that you're following the plan and not actually entering trades that you shouldn't be entering. I'm not really going to be entering anything on this, just due to the fact that we've already taken out those levels. So again, looking for longs on this, but this is really messy, so I'm not even going to bother trading that. And this is a short. Looking at this already, I think that's hit the 71%. I'll be looking for shorts on this. It's not the perfect entry, but if you get onto the 30-minute, you might be able to find some nice entries. So we're doing the Fibonacci, and you could probably just enter the trade right there. Still really nice risk to reward levels. So that is a possible trade for next week. GBPUSD short. USDCAD is the next one. Hopefully getting through this pretty quickly so that you can go and do your own analysis on the markets and see what you want to do. Not looking for anything on this, so I'm just going to delete that and move on to the next one. And finally, USDJPY. Possible short on here. And riding the market lower to that 100% level. So they're all of the trades that I'm having a look at for next week. Hopefully you've taken some notes and seen what you want to enter, seeing if there's any trades that you might do your own analysis on. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.